Hello and welcome to Scale Car Garage. I actually received a wonderful package in the mail. I kind of know what's in it, but I thought I would open it and share it with you here at Scale Car Garage. Well, firstly, I just have to apologize because I've actually had to reshoot this episode a couple of times because the intro I did and I kept, which is, we're going to do the unboxing, but as I continued to shoot other things and do other things in the garage, it has come to my attention that I have 1,000 subscribers now. Oh my goodness. First and foremost, I want to thank everyone who subscribes, makes a comment, watches these episodes. I really want to thank you all. I never thought I'd have 100 subscribers. Honestly, never mind 1,000. So I really appreciate all of your support. And this really started with me wanting to clear stuff off my workbench. And for the most part, take a look. It's well, it's better than it was when we started. However, there are more projects on the way, and there are some projects that I've started and I haven't finished. I know the Lola T70 projects that I got so excited about, and then other things came up, and then the Brabham Formula One car, the BT7, BT11, the Lotus 33. But you know what? That's okay. We're going to get back to them. And I've got other things that I've unearthed, spent some time unearthing some of my other items that you may be interested in. So we'll do that at a later date. But before I open this wonderful box with you, I just wanted to express my sincerest gratitude for the support that all of you have given me, and the people that I've met through this endeavor are just amazing. And please, I want to urge you to take a look at the channels that I subscribe to, and please watch them and subscribe to them if you haven't already. And I'm just going to mention a few of them, like Steve Neal's channel. There's the Worldwide Slot Car Chat. That's Greg Golb. His channel does a great job. I'm forgetting them all. There's MP Slot Car Space. There's That Slot Car Guy. There is, of course, Dave Kennedy's channel, Slot Car News. There, and that's just slot car stuff. So again, I apologize if I'm leaving someone off the list, but one of the most I guess entertaining channels that I watch is Max's Models, and this is who sent me this package, and I knew it was on the way. Gosh, it's a big package, isn't it? And Max, you got to check out Max's Models. I don't know anyone who enjoys building as much as he does, and he will build. He'll build cars, he'll build ships, he'll build airplanes, trucks, you name it. Oh my gosh, he builds robots. The Gundam, is that what it's called? I don't know that stuff very well. So, but if you want to see someone who just loves building and whose enthusiasm is so fantastic, genuine, and absolutely wonderful to watch. So I'm blithering, but check out Max's Models, please. And that's who sent me this wonderful package. And I brought, well, first of all, my glasses so that I don't injure myself, and a knife. All right, so let's open this up. Okay, carefully, of course. And my gosh, it's so well packaged. I mean, Max's enthusiasm is so contagious, and that's the kind of contagion you want. You want his enthusiasm. It's wonderful, and the work that he does is just lovely. Just really enjoy Max and everything that he does. It's wonderful. Oh, right, and let's not forget, of course, we've got. Oh, here we go. Sorry, I better pay attention before I blather on. There's also, don't forget Mark Huber. He's another chap that you should check out. His figure painting is just amazing, and he's been so supportive, and he does such fantastic work. He also builds great slot cars, by the way. And I'm sorry I'm blithering on. Just trying to, instead of a musical interlude, I guess it's just a verbal interlude while I open this up. All right, here we go. You can always skip search, folks. Don't have to listen to me blithering on, but those are just a few of the folks that I really urge you to please show some love and support to, because they most certainly deserve it. And I appreciate all the support that you folks have shown me. So, whoa, paper, cool. All right, let's open this up. Oh my goodness, aha. There's one box over here. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll put this just over here on my lap. Oh, look at this. A Lamborghini Yota. Whoa, 1/24 scale. So I have not really built a 1/24 scale slot car, and this is looks like a really neat model. Allow me to put this down here. I'll try not to make too much noise. There's the Yota, and I can open this up. Gosh, it's like Christmas, isn't it? Oh my gosh, a Lamborghini Miura. And I knew Max was going to send these. Beautiful cars. Oh my gosh, if you like Lamborghinis, the Lamborghini Miura is the epitome of design and desirability. Oh my gosh, and he really wrapped this up. Now, I know that Max had already built these, and he actually got this car to work. Yes, here we go. But what he has said, oh, look at this. So cool. Oh, look, it's already a Sidewinder. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Check that out, folks. It actually has a Sidewinder motor already there. The tires are not very grippy, but you know, that's a half decent looking model for a Miura. And Miuras are beautiful cars. Oh, it needs a driver too. That's beautiful. Okay, Max, we're going to make this into a slot car. Absolutely. That's absolutely beautiful. Let me put this aside. And this is, oh, by a company called Yota. Wow, that's really cool. And it has super machine remote control. Oh, fantastic. Let's put that over here in a safe spot. And let's look at the Yota. Let's see what we have here. Okay, oh, Max did not even build this car. Oh, look at this body. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's really nice. Whoa, yes. Okay, Max. Well, he has challenged me to turn these cars into 1/24 scale slot cars. And I think, oh my gosh, it even comes with its own motor. So we can use the motor that comes with the kit. I don't know about the tires, but oh, I think I can see what we can do with this. Wow, so my first 1/24 scale project, gee whiz, this could make a great little slot car. Should we use the chassis that came with the car or not? Oh, look at this. And here's of course, the instruction booklet is, well, they're the sort of schematics of what to do. Unfortunately, the text is in Japanese, and I'm afraid I'm not able to read that. So luckily, it's in English, even though the English is, well, it's not perfect, but It's legible. Max, thank you so much. And boy, oh boy, this is going to take a little bit of planning. Now I got to cast some 1/24th scale drivers too. So here we are. Look at this. 2 new projects, because maybe it's time to try a 1/24th scale car. Wow. So there we have it, folks. Again, I can't thank all of you enough. Took off my glasses here. For all of your support. Max, thank you so much for these. I will get planning. Gonna be cool cars, I think. Even though they weren't raced, could still make great slot cars. Auto Art actually had a Lamborghini Miura. Actually, one more. I have it right here. Let me show you. In 1/32nd scale. Let me reach over. Okay, here we go. As you can see, it's okay. No slot cars were harmed. It's a beautiful car. So we could have one in 1/32nd and one in 1/24th. Interestingly enough, the Auto Art car doesn't have a driver either. All right. So more projects. Anyway, I'm bluthering, and I am so appreciative of all of your support. Thank you so much for being with me here at Scale Car Garage. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe.